Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video demonstration I'm going to show you how to completely remove the Zenedit plugin of RedmineUP. So this is an installation guide for removing the Zenedit plugin from Redmine. It is completely removed. So at the end of this video, this plugin is going to disappear from the list here. Okay, so now let's start. Firstly, please open your command line with the buttons Ctrl, Alt and T. I'm going to zoom it a little bit for you, so it will be easier to see it. Okay, I think it is good now. Alright, the uninstallation process is simply done in 3 steps, and now I'm going to demonstrate it to you. Firstly, you have to change your directory to your core Redmine folder, which in our case is Redmine 5. And now the first step that you have to do is to downgrade your database. It is done with the command bundle exec rake redmine plugins name, and here into the name it is very important for you to set the correct name of the plugin you are trying to uninstall, which in our case is Redmine Zenedit. Okay, now so we continue version 0 Rails Env production. So now we wait for the process to be done. Okay, so in our situation we see that downgrading the database has just finished into 2 lines of code. So it is successfully done. Okay, so the second step that you have to do is to remove the plugins folder itself. So as being to the core Redmine folder, you just execute remove forcibly and recursively plugins Redmine Zenedit. Okay, and the third and last step is to just restart your Redmine. It is a very important step because all the changes are applied after restarting. So if you do not restart, so we have done nothing. Nothing will be applied. So you just restart with touch temporary restart point txt. So let's return to our Redmine and just refresh the page. And now the Zenedit plugin should disappear after a couple of seconds. Yeah, it is now gone. So we have done our job successfully. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope it was helpful for you. If you like it, you could check other videos into other articles of our documentations. Bye bye for now.